beautiful? I don't have any food here. I don't know what they're doing here. Look at them. Oh, they're trying to steal my pumpkin. They're so beautiful. Look at that. I'm gonna just record it for a little bit. Look at them looking at my plants. Look at them. They're still here. Oh my gosh. I'll wait till they leave. I wonder what message they have for me. They are absolutely beautiful. Oh my goodness. This video does not capture their beauty. I actually have to go. This is the longest I've seen them on waiting. Oh my goodness, normally they fly away. And I don't want to open the door. What are y'all doing? What are y'all doing? Look at this, it's beautiful. They found a new home. Wow. They're so beautiful. I wish this video doesn't do them justice. Going on 2 minutes, and they're still here. What message have you for me today? Two little birds on my balcony singing sweet songs, a melody pure and sweet. This is my message to you. Okay, well, that one is gone. Let's see what this one does. Okay. Singing, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Baby, don't worry about a thing, 'cause every little thing is gonna be alright. Thank you for the reminder. God is good. All praises to the Most High.